NRXS stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short and brief 1-minute video, so watch till the end. As I'm looking at Neuraxis, whatever the pronunciation is, I mean, I see that it's 70% up, which is great. But let's look at the broader picture and how things has actually been moving beforehand. Which again, I'm not surprised, but I'm the only person in this space with 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And again, still unironically, like, I'm not exaggerating when I say I've seen these thousands of times, tens of thousands of times, and I don't think it's volatile enough. I really don't think this is volatile enough. I mean, yeah, maybe sure, open-minded for more longs, but the only time where I'm actually going to get involved on the long side is if I see some sort of a confirmation. And I don't see it currently, so obviously I'm not going to come here and force. I'll just keep waiting for my rules. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.